channel. Today I have the Adapt Auto Max and the Anthracite colorway, so let's get to it. Alright, so here's this monstrous box. Can't even see me, but got a little Nike logo on the bottom. But get my Caesars and let me get started. Wow, this thing is massive. I don't even know what to say about it. I can't even see my face because of how dark it is. So we have the Max logo right here in the front. Then we have the little, the mascot, I guess you can say, for this shoe. And then on this side we have the Air. Honestly, I can't even read what it says up here, but I'll tell you guys later. And then on this side we have the Nike logo with the sizing on it right there to on the bottom left. The bottom, it shows like all of the instructions and settings, like if you want to connect to your phone, and I'll get more into detail right now. But let's have a quick look at the shoes right now. And right when we open it, we have the Nike logo and the Auto Max logo right there. So first look, oh my gosh, these things are huge. Okay, so first look at these shoes. These are bigger than what I expected. Okay, so then we have a little light glowing right there. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll get a closer look. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, so we have like a nice charcoal gray all over the upper, and then we have like a nice black Nike logo. Then we have a little small Nike logo right here, the Nike swoosh. Then we have like a little empty little side right here, like on the back of the shoe. Then we have the air bubble, of course. This mimics the Air Max and the Air Max 90s. And then the bottom, we have another Nike logo swoosh in the yellow. You have like two little triangle shapes on the uppers as well as on the opposite side. Air on the back, Air logo on the back. And then the material is really nice. It's like soft, like a mesh, you can kind of say, but not rough. It's like really smooth. And then we have the Auto Max logo on the tongue. And then the inside's kind of tough to see because of the lacing. Can't pull that out, but it says Auto Max. It says Auto Max. I don't know if you can see it, but matter of fact, I'm just gonna shut up and I'm gonna show you just the close-up shots of the shoe right now, and I'll get you an on feed by the end of the video. So let's get to it. Let me go into that real quick. So we have like a little manual, owner's manual, I guess you could say. And then we have this box right here. Remove this. It says Auto Max for sure, as well as on the other side, and then the Nike logo Okay, so once opening the box, we have a little message saying hello, and then we have guessing the charging cable for the shoes. This comes in, yes, so it comes with the power brick and the type C cable. We're not using USB anymore these days, so that's that. Alright, so coming to the last item is the charging pad that comes with the shoes as well. So it provides you everything, and on the bottom it says the Nike Adapt Charger 1.0, and pretty much is you set the shoes down, you make sure you plug in the type C cord with the power brick that was provided, and just set the shoes on top, and just like so, just it'll start charging. So other than that, that's pretty much it, what comes inside the box. I'll lay it all out so you guys can see everything, and just let me know what you think, and then I'll bring in the app and all that just to show you what everything does. So it might be a long video, so sit back and relax. Okay, so once you get the shoes and you're all set up, you're gonna want to download the Nike Adapt app. Just make sure you're getting the right one. There should be a QR code on the bottom of your shoe box. Okay, so once opening it, you get the Adapt logo, and it says step into the future, perfect fit, get started. So you can use your Nike account that you have, and if you don't have one, go ahead and make one, and make sure it allows to use Bluetooth, because of course it's wireless connection. Let's connect your new Nike Adapts. So press each shoe. For each shoe, press and hold a button to power on. So it's the plus and minus. So minus to loosen the shoes, and plus to tighten the shoes. So let's just 1, 2, 3. Turn on the shoe. For each shoe, press and hold to power on. So all right, so it should be on. Near the lights of your shoe. Okay, so it says Bluetooth pairing request. So your Earl Wright would like to pair with your phone. Pair. So it says shoe detected, and then it says press either light on the shoe to confirm. So as you can see, the light is on. We could just press it, and it is connected. Let's go. It says halfway there. So now it says hold your phone near the lights of your other shoe. Of course, see if it works. Oh, there you go. It says connecting, and it says would you like to pair? Pair. And then connecting, of course. Shoe detected. Press either light of the shoe to confirm. So let's press that. And now it is there. You're all set. Now it's gonna ask you for like what type of fit you're more into, more like a comfier side, or even just a tighter side. So when you're out walking or when you're in the house. So go next. It says put on your shoes to find the perfect fit. Your shoes will auto adjust to find your new fit. This will be your go-to fit when you're out and about handling business. So begin. And then it just says adapting. Well, I'm guessing you should have your shoes on once you're doing this, of course. Okay, so it says slide the L and R to adjust the fit until it is right. So what this means is your left, the L is for the left and R is for the right. So if you go up, of course it should be tightening, of course, and if you go down, is to loosen the fit. So as you can see, it's going up right here, and then if you don't want that, you can just put it back in the middle so you can have a nicer fit. Let's just say save mode for now. And it says creating move mode. So, and then you'll have your screen all set up. And then another cool thing about these shoes is you can change the light on it. So you can either choose a blue light, as you can see right here. So I have blue, then I have a racer blue, vivid purple, and then the screen will change the color just well as on the shoe. So you have like a pink, and we have a red orbit, orange, total orange, laser orange, off the yellow, electric green, green spark, white, and then back to the blue oval there. And then we have hero blue, racer blue, and then of course it'll repeat the colors until you find the one of your choice. Also, it has the battery percentage on the shoes on the left one and the right, of course. And then we have, I don't know what that was for, but so there's a software update for these. I don't know, that's crazy. Okay, it says we are always working to improve your adapt footwear. It says before you update, make sure your adapts are at least 50% charged before beginning the update. Make sure your shoes are connected and keep your phone close to your shoes during the update. So we'll do that later, and I'll get to the on feet and everything inside the package right after this. That wraps up the video. I hope you enjoyed this review on the Hyper Adapt and the Anthracite colorway. And to be honest with you, I might be keeping these shoes, and I'll catch you in the next one.